Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm here to share with you the March kit for Candy's Card Club. Candy's Card Club is a subscription, and it is fabulous value to receive a deluxe crafting kit in the mail each month. So for March, I'm featuring Scalloped Wishes. This is a bundle that is a brand new release in the March online exclusives. I think you're gonna love it. There's a lot to love. And this is what I'm featuring for the cards that I've designed for the March kit. Now you're also going to receive a full package of these Moody Palette Dots. Now this is a partial package. Lovely soft colors. And then you're also going to get a full roll of this lovely Balmy blue gingham ribbon, or maybe it's checked ribbon. I can't remember what they are calling it. Oh, it is gingham. Yeah, okay, gingham ribbon. And then you're going to get a half pack of this mixed patterns. Now, this was part of the January online exclusives release, and these are great background patterns. So each one is like so, the front and the back, soft, very easy to use. This is a strong one here, but yeah, they're very easy to use in your crafting. So with Candy's Card Club, you get 8 project packets and you get 8 tutorials for each project, you get 4 tutorials for each set of projects because I design in pairs. So let me show you the projects and then you can decide whether this is a good fit for you. And again, this is Candy's Card Club, the March, this is the March packet. So, okay, let me get them in pairs. So you can see how I have a lot of similarities in each pair of projects. I always give you at least 2 fun folds. This month, I'm actually giving you 4. So this one is 1 pair, and then this is another pair. Now, all of these die cuts are done for you. This filigree, look at those ovals. This is a great way to show off your designer paper. So you do get 4 fun folds, this for the March kit. And then this is the last pair. And all of these, like the die cut dragonflies, are done for you. The one time I'm not going to include the die cuts is when you have to stamp and cut out, like this little guy right here, the little dragonfly. So again, this is Candy's Card Club. Everything is included here except the stamps and the bundle. That's an add-on feature. So you will get everything you need to create these 8 cards. $45 ships it directly to your mailbox. And that also includes a video and it includes PDF tutorials for all the projects. And if you join and you remain for 6 consecutive months, there is an amazing loyalty gift package that comes to you. You can also try us out for 1 month. You pay a little bit more and you don't accrue the loyalty gifts. But that is available if you are not ready to actually subscribe. I hope that you will consider the March Candy's Card Club featuring Scalloped Wishes. Thanks so much. Take care and God bless.